This video, we're going to learn that how to configure or how to check the default account and settings related with the sales. The sales tab includes the information for your product and services related with your sales form like invoices, estimates or sale receipts and related with your customers. So how to check the default settings related with the sales? You need to click on this setting icon, and here we have the first option, that is account and settings. In our previous video, we already done with this company tab. We already checked the account and settings related with the company. So in this video, we are doing this sales tab. So we need to check account and settings related with the sales. So click it. So when you click it, we have different section here. We have customize, sales form content, product and services. We have progressive invoicing option. We have default uh, layout for the messages and reminders, online delivery, and statements. So first we have customize. Customize the way forms looks to your customer. We have one standard layout for our invoices, for our estimates, quotations, and for our sale receipt. But if your client they want to customize it by as per their requirement, so how we can change the standard layout of your invoices, estimates, or receipts? So you can click this option, customize look and feel, and this window will open, customize form style, and that is the standard layout. But if you want to create a new layout for your invoices, for your quotation estimates, and for your sale receipts, then you can click on this tab or click this option. Here we have this three different options. If you want to make a new style or layout for your invoices, for your estimates, and your sale receipt. So I will edit the oh, sorry I will edit the standard uh, layout. So if you click on this edit tab, this window will open, and here we have three different options. We have design, if you want to change the layout, the content inside that the content of your sales form, and related with the emails. So first we have design. If you click on the design, we have this further categories or options are coming. So first we have change up the template, the layout of your invoice. So if you click on this option, here we have different layout, different style. That is a fresh, bold, friendly. So that is the layout of your invoices, right? So let's suppose we're gonna select here the modern layout, and if you want to edit the logo, we have this second option, make logo edits. So you can edit your logo also. Try other color if you change the font colors, right now it is blue, you can convert into black or gray. Then we have get choosy with your font if you want to change the font, and that is a print setting. So these are the options we have in the design tab. Next we have the content. What are the content you want to enter inside, or additional information you want to enter inside your layout? So click on this content, right? So you can click here manually, or these are the header information in your invoice layout. So business name is this. You want to include, right now look, we don't have the phone number here. So if I check this option, phone number is here now. So that is an email, company registration number. And if you want to enter a company website on your invoices or in the layout of your sales form, you can click this option and enter the website address, and that is a form name. So that is an invoice, that is a text invoice, look, it comes here. Then for the estimates, you can enter like we can also call estimate as a quotation. So if you want to change estimate into a quotation as it is a requirement of your client, then you can change estimate into quotation, and that is for the sales receipt. Then we have form numbers. You want a system generated automatic form numbers, or you want to enter manually, it is your choice. Same, use custom transaction number. You want to use a custom transaction number or a system generated one, or you want to enter manually. So I want to use customized system generated transaction number. Then we have in the display, billing address is there, it's already here. And if you want to enter the shipping address, right? So if you check this option, look, shipping address is also here now. Then we have due date or expiration date, customer VAT number is there. So these are the tabs, these are the fields which are coming in your layout. And if you want to add further customized field, let's suppose I want to add location also, location of the customer. So if you click this on, you can add a customized field also. So the location is here now. So that is a default layout which you can add it by yourself as per the client requirement, or you can also create a new style. So that is for the content. Then we have emails. That is the settings related with the emails. If you click here, so sales form type, you can enter for invoices, you can enter this for estimates, you can enter this for sales receipts. Now, how your invoice appear in email with full detail, summarized, or PDF. So we select this option. We want a full detail and the PDF attachment. Attached file is there. Then standard email. Added the email, your customer get with every send form. So that is that default layout. If you're sending your invoices online to your customer, so that is a subject line. Then use greeting, you want to use dear, Mr. or to, right? And that is a company name. Or you want to enter it goes with the first name or the company name. So I want the company name, and here you can enter a default message for your customer. And similarly, we have reminder emails are also there. So the same thing, you can enter that you can change this to, and not the full name, I want the company name. And that is a reminder notices a message to the customer. So that is how that email format is there. Here default automatically the system, the QuickBooks automatically pick this customer the company name, and that is your default message. So that is how you can add it, or you create a sales form. The same way you can create a style for your invoices, a new form or new style for your estimates, that is quotations or the sales receipt. So at the end, you need to click on this option for done. So it is saved now. So we go one step back again. You can cancel it, save and exit. Go one step back. We'll go one step back again. Click on this edit tab, and here we have this account and settings. Click on the sales. Now this is how you customize uh, that sales form or estimates or sale receipt in QuickBooks Online Plus.